Holy moly, that was really close.
Wow.
That's a very dangerous U-turn attempt. This is why you should always look before making a turn. Bro, how are you gonna clean that up now? Here comes the pain.
Wow.
Ever heard of brakes?
Aquí tenemos lo que decían Litos. A ver.
These
¿qué hace
cars
la gente?
piled up without any idea of what's going on.
¡Oh, no! ¡Meteros en el gas al ferro! ¡Gas al ferro!
Now wait and see.
¡Qué tontos, tío! ¡Hostia, cuántos millones, tío! ¡Madre mía! ¡Hostia puta!
Here it comes. Oh my, I hope the driver's okay. Stop brake checking me, boy. All right, enough with the games. Now watch what's gonna happen next.
Wow.